Something? Of course, just good afternoon to everyone. Thank you all for being here. I mean, we're just going to try to prepare a very special song. Of course, God bless everyone, the production team, and of course to Ms. Kulesma herself. And thank you all for being here, of course.
And Mr. Verhel Santo Domingo.
Good afternoon to all of you. To God all be the glory. It's a dream come true, and I wait for this. I love Kuridesa so much, and thank you for this opportunity to direct the undisputed diva. Clap your hands, guys. And thank you, David, and thank you, Nathan.
And of course, Ms. Koo.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. This is exciting. Pagpasok ko, sabi ko, major press con. Grabe. Something's happening, huh? Something amazing is happening here today, and especially on August 3. It's exciting because it's the first time that I'm doing a show in Winford and at the same time in this area actually. Kasi medyo doon na kami nalalagi sa music museum or else Resorts World saan? Sa Hacienda. We have a monthly show before. Pero, this is a new crowd, I hope, and we're excited to, introduce our ABC of music. And I'm excited to hear you guys. Ang dami niyo, Thank you for being here today, making it, and please ask us whatever you want today. We have marami kong share. Marami kami share.
Okay, who wants to ask a question first? Come up here sa microphone.
Here na. Introduce yourself.
Okay, good afternoon. Hi, I'm Ade from A Day to Remember. Yes.
Hi there.
Yes. Question, I just read it's Kuledesma sings ABC.
Her ABC.
Her A.
Please make sure you say her ABC.
Yeah, so ABC. What's the meaning of ABC and where's the D, the following letters?
That will be the part 2. Well, ABC of my music, the choices of just this particular show. ABC means my chosen singers, composers. Kasi 1.5 to 2 hours lang naman this show, diba? So, ABC pala, which is the basic of what I've done from other singers, from the people who have given me their compositions to record, my hits na ABC.
So who's the A?
Alcacid.
Ang dami.
Alcacid.
Adele will be singing songs from Adele.
Alcacid.
And then for Azarpon, who composed a lot of my songs, I think I Dog, also One More Try, ano pa ba? Hello, marami pa. So, B naman, we're doing some Barbra Streisand songs. I have sung a lot of Barbra Streisand songs recently, so that's my past. And so because it's my basic, that's the artist that I really looked up to when I was just starting. And then C, marami rin. Canseco, Kayabya, marami pa. Secret na.
Chad.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you, Len.
Next.